Hey guys, so I don't know about you, but when I'm cleaning and I bring out the Febreze bottle and it doesn't want to spray, it really grinds my gears. So today I'm going to show you what I do to try to fix this so I can keep on cleaning. Alright, so I've got my bottle here, and excuse the lighting here. This is kind of an impromptu video, but you'll see here there's a spot on the Febreze bottle where it's got lock and unlocked. So first step is switch the bottle nozzle into unlocked. And I'm trying to do this with one hand so I can show you guys, so just bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. All right, once you've got the bottle on the unlocked position, just be careful here because there's a little ball on the inside that I discovered is what makes the nozzle work. So just kind of take it off gently and make sure that the ball doesn't fall out. You'll see what I mean in a bit. So this is the inside of it. I'm gonna take apart this from the nozzle, and then let's see if it comes out. It's some liquid, but okay, so the little ball didn't come out with it, which means it must be stuck in here. So I'm just gonna, there we go. This little ball, I don't understand why Febreze uses this, but this little ball is what makes it all work. So what you wanna do is grab this little ball and stick it on the inside right here. So again, I'm doing this with one hand, so just bear with me. It's in there. Oh, it fell out. And then you're gonna put it back in. You see where that hole is on the top of the screen right there? That's where the ball needs to go in with that little straw thingy. I don't know the technical words for these, or technical terms for these things, but that's what we're gonna try to do here. So, let me try again. Okay, so that's inside. And then this part I do need to do with two hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down for a second. And as you can see here, I'm trying not to let the ball fall out, but I've got it in place to put that little straw thingy with the ball into that hole. So I'm just gonna stick that into place. And again, I'm putting the phone down for a second. And then you should have something like this. When that's ready, go ahead and push it down until it clicks. I think it clicked there. Yep, it clicked there. I'm gonna put the phone down again just to make sure that it's in there pretty good. So 1 second. All right, and once that's in there, the little ball's in place, and this is in there, you're good to go. So you'll put this back into the bottle, of course, kind of line it up on the unlock position, and then switch it over to the locked, like that. So there we go. There's the locked position. And the key with these things is not to get frustrated, of course, as with anything in life. So let's just take the bottle. There's not a lot of Febreze in here. I need to refill that, but as you can see, it is actually spraying now. Hallelujah. So that is how you take a nasty broken Febreze bottle nozzle and fix it. Just put the ball back into place and stick it back inside. Very strange, but I hope this helps, and see you guys next time.